Hi everyone, it's Sunday. I'm kind of late today, but it's funny. Today turned out to be a whole different setup than what I thought it was going to be. So bear with me. I am shuffling the cards. We will get our reading this morning, and I feel really tuned in, and I've set my intention, and I just need to say that I integrate all these beneficial upgrades on all levels of my awareness in safety, harmony, and bliss. I have been doing some work before, um, and it just really came to me that I need to change my process again. So, as these things are happening, um, it's just really weird. But here we go. I have three cards for our reading today from the I Am deck. My reality is improving constantly. So that to me just means that August is just a beautiful month. And we're in the new moon phase. And we are going to have another full moon at the end of August. But I think what's going on today is that Mercury, no, not Mercury, I believe it's Mars and Saturn, because over the weekend, there's a lot going on. But over the weekend, we were in Virgo. But now, I believe Mars and Saturn's meets in the sky. And Mars is going retrograde at some point. So we have to really look at that. The next card is I am a channel for clear spirit. I am a clear channel for spirit. I'm sorry. I think I'm just a little dizzy. What's really interesting is all of this energy that's going on up here. And then all of this blue energy down here. It's just really, really interesting. And our last card is the expansion card. So we're expanding our that we are a clear channel for spirit. Our reality is improving constantly. And we want to expand all of this out. Expand it out to the world. Hi Sandra. Looks like you're here today. Good morning. Good day to you. Well, it's no longer morning, it's afternoon. It's 12:01. Okay, so good afternoon to you. So now I'm going to do a pull from the Gaia cards and then I'll pull a card for Sandra. Um, Here we go. Okay, this one just popped out. So we'll take it. And it is called The Message. That's a really beautiful card. Um, there's a message in the light. And this is card number 28. So there's an 8 in the card. And it also goes down to a 10, which is a power number. And this card means positive news, positive outcome. So let me read you what 28 means. So let's get there. And I'm reading this from the Angel Numbers 101. 28. Money comes to you as you keep the faith that you, your loved ones, and your beautiful life purpose are all fully supported by heaven. So stay in a positive mindset about prosperity and believe in your money coming to you. and being there for you and working for you. And here we go. I just need to get, so it's card number 28. And here is the affirmation. And coming up on Facebook and Instagram very well. So on the replay, you can just stop it here if you want to write it down. I will read it out loud later. So 28 is the message. Positive news, positive outcome. The anxious wait is nearly over, and a time of celebration is near. You will soon receive good news. This may come from a land far away, or it may come from someone close to you. In any case, any issue of major importance has a positive outcome. This may relate to you or someone dear to you. What a relief. You can now rest easy in the knowledge that all is well. Thank the universe for this blessing and give thanks to the earth and stars also. Remember that our lives are forever held in their eternal embrace. Whether we know it or not, we are surrounded always by unconditional love. So here's the affirmation. I thank the earth and stars for every blessing. I give thanks for the love that fills and surrounds me. I am loved unconditionally by a benevolent universe. My mind is full of light. My heart is forever grateful. And so I'm getting that I will pull your cards from the I Am deck, Sandra. So here we go. And you have 2 cards. I am thriving in all ways, and my vision is clear and focused. So those 2 cards are for you and for anyone else here that resonates with that. And today I am just going to do a very short sound session. I'm getting that we're all in creation mode. So, and there really is nothing in our way. So, it's all about staying in that mode and creating that which we want to bring into being. So, for those of you who are driving, operating heavy machinery, please listen to the sound later. If you have a pacemaker, please do not listen to the sound. It will affect your pacemaker. And for those of you females who may be pregnant, check with your doctor before having any type of sound therapy done on you while you're pregnant. Okay? And here we go. So we want to bring in our higher selves into our body and connect in the heart with the higher self. Bring it into the heart. We want to ground into Mother Earth using a grounding cord. We're sending a grounding cord from our heart down into the 5D crystalline core, Mother Earth's heart, and just lock into our 5D crystalline core heart, into the center of Mother Earth, and pull up her beautiful grounding energy so you feel grounded into the earth. And if you need more grounding, you can, with your feet chakra, send some grounding cords through the topsoil into the soil and go beyond the earth's mantle and just ground into the earth and pull up Mother Earth's energy into through your feet chakra, into the toes and soles and heels of your feet, and bring it up through the body. And you have even more grounding available to you now, pulling up even more energy. And now bringing in source energy into the body, from the crown to the feet, from the neck and shoulders into the arms, into your fingers, fingertips, thumb tips. Feel it feel the light of Creator, the golden white light of Creator flooding your whole system, bringing Mother Earth's energy, higher self energy, and source energy into your heart, and seeing it all integrate within your system into the color that your energy brings it to be. Mine is a translucent pink gold light that floods my whole system. And now let's also invoke all our teams of gods, goddesses, angels, archangels, guardians, guides, ascended masters, fairies, tree people, mermaids, dolphins, unicorns, dragons, our vibration teams, our energy teams, our sound teams, our light teams, bringing in all our galactic teams and our starseed families and our divine spirit council, hearing the messages surrounding us in support and guidance and thriving energy. And now you can use this sound however you will. If you choose to seed your dreams, you can open your third eye. You can clear your pineal gland to see more of what it is you're meant to create. And we say thank you to Source. We say thank you to Mother Earth. We say thank you to our higher selves, ourself. We say thank you to all the teams of gods, goddesses, angels, archangels, guardians, guides, ascended masters, fairies, tree people, mermaids, dolphins, unicorns, dragons, light teams, sound teams, vibration teams, light energy teams, galactic teams, and starseed families, and our divine spirit council. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We integrate all these upgrades on all levels of our awareness in safety, harmony, and bliss. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Jai Bhagwan Ki. Amen. And so it is. So we can start coming back into the body. Start wiggling your fingers and your toes. You can move your upper body. If you're lying down, you may want to sit up. And as you sit up, you may want to stretch for easement and comfort of your upper body and lower body. And seat. Take some deep breaths. And slowly open your eyes when you're ready. So I want to thank you all for being here. This was a very short sound session. So I think with all the energy the way it was, we're like in creation mode. I even started this morning, even while doing my spiritual practice, like seeing things, receiving messages of how to go about my day. My original intention was to go to my county clerk's office to see if I could get my absentee ballot for the voting. But I'm getting the feeling like I should wait until after all the conventions are over. And then, or maybe even just when I go outside, or I have the intention to go out tomorrow to get some medicine. So it makes sense to do it when I'm doing all of that. Because I was going to go to the bank. I was going to do this and that and the other. And it just looks like today is my original intention yesterday was to do cleanup and be cleaning, but didn't work out that way. It's funny how time got away from me. So I started cleaning this morning. So it's almost like today is all about clearing out and bringing in the new. So I have this urge, this very intense urge to purge and clean. So, and then I also intend to learn a new technology. so that I can work on my website. So there's a lot of that. So that's where I'm creating from, is creating my website where I can actually deliver everything that I have in terms of programs, in terms of freebies, in terms of connecting with you guys better. Um, I am going to send out a post on Facebook to ask, what it is you guys need for support. Like, what is it you would like to see? Well, I realized that the closed group uh, thunderstorm session on Wednesday is all about the graying hair. I'd like to have all the other closed group sessions, the once per month, to be on ways that I can support you. So, what is it that you're actually looking for? And if you could comment on this video and let me know, what is it you're looking uh, to be supported with sound? And then also, what are your goals for your everyday? And how do you feel like sound can be incorporated to assist you in meeting those goals, right? So how does that, how are you incorporating sound, and how do you see it in your life? So if you could please comment on this video, I would absolutely love to hear what you're looking for in terms of support with sound, and what your goals are to incorporate sound into your life. And if you feel like that is a good use of it, is that something that you can use in your life to help you through those moments when you're triggered or when you need support? So just let me know. I'm very, very curious. And I'd love to be able to support my community in any way possible. So I will try and incorporate those into the dailies as well, so we can see how we can go about, you know, actually doing this for you. Um, I'm going with the card readings in terms of interpreting what my intuition is telling me is going on for us, but I'd also like to be able to support those in my community who are really focusing and using this as part of their own support, right? So I'd love to hear more about your opinions on that and how I can be of more support and help to you. All right, guys, so I will say as we end, all of my energy back to me, all your energy back to you. We are in our sacred spaces and places and time and dimensions, and we are disconnected. So you are sovereign in your energy, and I am sovereign in my energy. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye bye.